name's Justin Lyons. I'm a resident of the Dyfi Biosphere, and I also work on the Dyfi National Nature Reserve, which is where we are now. Dyfi National Nature Reserve is a large area composing 3 blocks of habitats. One is here at Lleisiau with the sand dunes and the intertidal area. Another one is the Dyfi estuary, a vast area of sand flats, mud flats, and salt marsh and tidal creeks. And the other area is Biosffer, which is a lowland raised bog between Bors and Lleisiau, which is 600 to 700 hectares of the very rare habitat of lowland raised bog. I mean, I think it's going to be challenging because they're quite challenging times at the moment, both environmentally and politically as well. So I think it's going to be difficult times. But I think there's genuine interest in sort of people working together, and I think that's really healthy.